Hi, today we are going to make a pop-up cart of a baby elephant with an ice cream. You will need a cutting board, then any one of the colored papers of A4 size, hundred and 20 to 150 GSM paper, and on that you have to take the print out. Then we have got this I for scoring. I use this empty ball pen. It's a dried up empty. See. Then glue, scissor, scale or ruler, paper cutter, and I usually use this while doing all fine works. It's optional for you. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll scar out all the lines. Well, not many lines over here to scar, luckily. Now we'll do all the fine cuttings. I love ice cream, so I will start with the ice cream. It's always advisable. Through experience, I have learned that it's always better to cut all the intricate details first, the internal ones, and then cut the external outside lines. And it goes without saying that this paper cutter is a very sharp object, so one has to be very careful. It shouldn't be given in the hands of children, or they might get injured. And when you are not using it, it's always better to slide it inside. Oops, I forgot to mention that you can take out its printout from this side. I'll give a link in the description box below, so it will be easier for you if you wish to make it. You can directly click on the link and go to their site. From there you can download the template and make this beautiful card yourself. It's a baby elephant sitting under a banana tree and eating ice cream. And he is looking happy also, having an ice cream to eat. Naturally, anybody who gets a chance to have an ice cream would feel happy. we'll fold the card on this side now, then we'll get all these print lines. We want to hide all the print lines, so we'll fold it on the other side. And since we have already scoured it in the beginning only, so it's becomes quite easy to fold along these score lines. Not only to fold it along the score lines, but also it gives you a straight neat line. If you try to fold the paper without this scoring the lines before, then the lines might not be so straight and so neat. It's a very easy and simple card. Anybody can make it. Even the beginners, even for the people, see, it has turned out so beautifully. And then you take a colored paper of A4 size, fold it into half there, and then place it in the center. And you have to paste it. Apply paste over here. Okay, this side. I won't be pasting it because I need to show it that if you place it into different colored papers, it will look more beautiful. Then turn it over and apply paste here also, this whole thing, and then stick it. So after pasting here, this is how it will look. It looks cute, doesn't it? You can use different papers, colored papers. It will give different look. The same thing, A4 size paper, fold it into half. And this paper can be thicker, 150 GSM to 220 GSM. But this paper shouldn't be very thick, otherwise it will be difficult to fold. It doesn't look good. It's 120 GSM to 150 GSM paper. They are nice, easy to cut also, and at the same time easy to fold. And even when the card is ready, it gets folded quite easily. See, you can place this thing in an envelope, normal envelope, and post it, and when they'll open it, it becomes into a 3D view. Yeah, depending on the choice of your color, you can paste it on any colored paper, and any colored paper would look beautiful. The card itself is very simple and yet very beautiful also, especially the baby elephant, the smile on his face, because he is holding an ice cream. Sitting under a banana tree and ready to enjoy his ice cream. Thanks for dropping by.